Should gas station owner invest in an automatic car wash? If you own a gas station, here is the question that could completely change the way you look at your business. What if every vehicle that stops for fuel could generate a second source of income before it leaves? More gas stations focus on selling fuel, convenience store product, or basic vehicle service. But fuel machines continue to get smaller, competition keeps growing, and customers spend less time on site than ever before. The challenge is not attracting more vehicles. You are already doing that every day. The challenge is increasing the value of every customer who visits. This is exactly why automatic car washes have become one of the fastest growing investments for gas station owners around the world. Think about your customer. Many of them are already driving vehicles that need cleaning. They simply don't have time to visit another location. If they can refuel and wash their car in one convenient stop, you will give them exactly what they are looking for: speed, convenience, and a better overall experience. The Go&Go automatic car wash system is designed to make that possible. The washing process is fully automated, starting with a hard bristle rewash that removes dirt and road debris. Soft, commercial-grade brushes safely clean the vehicle's body without damaging the paint, while dedicated wheel brushes remove stubborn brake dust and rim. For business that want to offer premium service, optional undercarriage washing and powerful air drying provide a complete professional finish in just a few minutes. The best part, one operator can supervise the entire washing process instead of hiring a large washing team. Your assistant staff can continue serving customers while the machine handles the work. Every vehicle receives the same consistent wash quality, whether it is the first customer of the day or the last. From a business perspective, the advantages go far beyond washing cars. Customers stay at your station longer, increase the chance they will purchase drinks, snacks, coffee, or other convenience store items. A simple fuel stop becomes a complete vehicle care experience, creating multiple revenue opportunities from a single visit. This also helps your business stand out from nearby competitors. When drivers know they can fuel up and live with a professionally cleaned vehicle in one location, your station becomes more than just another place to buy fuel. It becomes the convenient choice. Perhaps the biggest advantage is preparing your business for the future. As fuel market continue to change and profit margins become more competitive, successful gas stations are expanding beyond fuel sales. They are creating service-based business that can generate stable, recurring income every day. So should gas station owner invest in an automatic car wash? If your goal is simply to sell more fuel, maybe not. But if your goal is to increase customer value, create an additional revenue stream, improve customer loyalty, and build stronger business for the year ahead, then an automatic car wash deserves serious consideration. Visit Go&Go and see the system operated in real business conditions. Our team will help you evaluate your available space, estimate your earning potential, and recommend the right solution for your station. The vehicle are already coming to your business every day. The real opportunities is giving them one more reason to stop.